Hello from Malaga, and look at that plane that will soon land on the Malaga International Airport. That's only 3 kilometers away from this beach. And yes, this is actually a nudist beach. Yep, it's called Playa Nudista Guadalmar. There is also a public part of the beach, but this is where the nudist beach starts actually. And actually, I am out for exploration in Malaga for the weekend on this December weekend. Today is 8th of December, Friday, and what a wonderful weather we have today. It is 18 degrees Celsius right now. That's 19 degrees more than it was in the morning when I started off in Stockholm, Sweden. So I'm going to be exploring a few beaches here in Malaga. It is my first time here. I have been in Spain several times, and this is the third time that I'm in Spain. And to show you that this is a nudist beach, there is the sign. It's called Playa Nudista. But obviously, because it is December, it's not the best weather actually to go on a nudist beach. But this is actually a huge and long beach, so I guess there will be someone in the middle of the beach, I suppose. But look at the sea actually. The sea is amazing, and that in the distance is actually Malaga, probably around 9 kilometers away from this beach. So I have checked online that the water temperature here is 15 degrees Celsius, and I'm feeling it now in my feet, and that's about the right temperature. And I have finished actually my Sweden beach adventure 7 days ago exactly, on 1st of December, when it was 0 degrees in the water and around 0 in the air. So this is quite a luxury, to be fair, that I'm doing this beach adventure today, and quite a temperature shock. I actually thought it's gonna be a bit more warmer, but it's the wind that makes things a bit more interesting and a bit colder. So yeah, it's pretty empty today, and we're gonna be able to see also some few more landings on the airport. Actually, I took a walk from the airport to here. It was around 3 kilometers, so that was less than 1 hour. I mean, less than half an hour, of course. And on these episodes here from Malaga, I'm gonna be telling you an interesting fact every day about Malaga. And the first fact, because this is the first episode, is that there are 300 sunshine days in Malaga. Yep, so 300 sunshine days and around 50 days of rain. So it's one of the sunniest city in Europe, and it's definitely a perfect place for expats to move and work from here. Maybe I will do that someday. But yes, as I mentioned, 8th of December, exactly 12 o'clock noon, 18 degrees Celsius in the air, 15 in the water. Let's then check out the Mediterranean Sea. It has not been so long ago since I did my beach adventures in Valencia. That was like at the beginning of October, so 2 months ago. And then there it was so warm and nice, so hot actually. Here we have a bit more mild temperatures, but still it is very nice. So yeah, let's see how many beaches I'm gonna be able to visit here in these 3 full days. I actually planned a visit to Gibraltar also, so let's see what kind of beaches they have there, because it's only 2-hour ride from here. Okay, yes, I haven't done a beach adventure in 7 days, and I feel hopeful that I'm gonna have great weather here. And actually, speaking of nudist beach, I see some nudists around 300 meters away from here, I believe. But there are also many people walking and running along the coast also. Cool! This is Playa Nudista de Guadalmar in Malaga, and it's time for my first swim in December in the Mediterranean Sea. Let's go! Oh, so nice. But look at that, another airplane is approaching the airport and flies over the nudist beach. Oh, this one is a smaller one, maybe from a close by Spanish city actually. But yeah, this is a perfect beach where you can see the landings of the airplanes. So I cannot lie, the water was amazing actually and so salty. So I really missed the sea. Cool, that's a wrap from Playa Nudista de Guadalmar in Malaga, and I'm gonna see you soon again with another beach adventure from Malaga on my channel. Beach Adventures with Kris!